This video is best free header for a WooCommerce shop in 2021. I have my practice site here for using some of the photos from my real shop. And the first thing I want to mention is that WooCommerce isn't a theme, it's a plugin. So it doesn't really get involved with the header. The question to ask is, what free theme has a great header that works well with WooCommerce? And the theme that I'm going to demonstrate is Astra. If you go to your dashboard and you go to Appearance Themes, Add New, and type in Astra, you can activate it here, and then we're going to customize the theme. And this is where you can customize your header. Go to Header Builder, and one of the first things you notice is that it gives you 3 rows, which is actually really generous for a free theme. If I wanted to put my social icons up top, I just click the plus, social, and now I got my social icons. Click the little gear here, design. This is where you adjust the background color. If you want to adjust the icon color, click the widget itself, go to design. Here's the icon color, here's the hover color. So you could change the hover color to something. The next thing that I wanted to point out was that it gives you these 2 things in your menu even though you didn't put them there. I'm going to set the logo that I created and place it. Select logo right here. Skip cropping. Get rid of the site title. Next, I need to put a menu in place. Right now it's just spitting out all of my pages that came with WooCommerce. So to get a menu, I have to create a menu for the theme. And then you select the menu and it'll spit it into here. So I'm going to go back out and I'm going to go to menus. Create a new menu. Call it header. Set it to the primary menu. Next. Add some items. Home, checkout, shop. Okay, great. There are the 3 items. Notice I already selected some of the colors there. If you click the widget itself, design, scroll down, it allows you to select the color, the hover color, and the active color. So right now the home page is active, you can see that. If I hover over it, it changes to the green that I selected here. This background you might not want to do because that'll just do the menu itself. To adjust the entire background, you're going to want to click this gear here and the design. Select background color. There we go. Bottom border size, it's at 1 pixel. You can increase that, or you can just get rid of it. Alright, next. I'm not going to do a 3rd row, but you could put a magnifying glass for a search widget up here. You could do a WordPress widget. You can see there are a lot of options here. Oh, right, that's the other thing I wanted to do is put in a cart. So right next to the primary menu, put in a cart, boom. Click on the cart. We're going to display the total. We're going to get rid of the total. Adjust some of the colors here so you can match it up with the rest of your menu. The last thing I wanted to demonstrate was a transparent header, which can be a little bit tricky, but nonetheless it's an option on this free theme. If you click on the main header builder, you'll see it automatically loads up all of the widgets in here if you want to customize those. And then if you want to customize a row, it would be this gear. But you can also select a header type, transparent header. Enable it on the whole website. And you can see now it's fairly transparent. If you click design, you can see I was messing around with the background overlay. That really helps because if you don't have anything there, you really need to ensure that, let me just get rid of this. You really need to ensure that whatever's in your page, whatever gets moved up, and so if it's not compatible with your transparent header, you're going to have problems. Background overlay sometimes will help get rid of that, even though you still need to develop it so that it works. If you have trouble with certain pages, you just select disable on post page, disable on posts, disable on WooCommerce product page. So you do have options. You can enable it on desktop, mobile, or both. And you can upload a transparent header logo so that if your desktop is transparent and you need a different logo than the mobile, then you would be able to even do that for this theme. But yeah, it's a pretty amazing theme for free, and the only service that I used was to create a logo, and I did that here. I went to placeit.net. I'm going to leave a link below, and I selected one of the yoga logos here by just selecting logos and searching. And then when you click on one, I think I clicked on this one, and then you can select one of the many graphics over here. It puts it in here. Change the color scheme here, and then I set the background to transparent, and then you download the logo, and then you can crop it on your computer, or you could even put the text down here, or sometimes it requires text. If it requires text, just put it down here, and then when you upload it to your site, just crop it to this. That's it for this video. More print-on-demand tutorials coming. Find the ultimate resource below, and if you found this helpful, feel free to support with a like or sub or comment. Thanks.